Okay, today in security, we looked at, talked about firewalls a little bit, Palo Alto work, and that's what we did mainly all day. We talked a little bit about the capstone work, simulating network, talked about doing inventory and requests for machines. So tomorrow for the capstone, we'll have the things on the board for the students to accomplish. So what they did was they did labs, and then we also about networks. We talked a little bit about how the system would work, where here we have the nexus, and that's going to communicate down through here with all of our services that we want to offer. Storage, VMs, DHCP, and so forth. And then it will connect with this catalyst switch, which we have connected through, I believe it's DMZ22, through the firewall and out. And so tomorrow they can connect the other catalyst switch and assign a PC here and hook up a PC and see if they can get connectivity through here, make a couple practice VLANs and set that up so we get that connectivity, and then possibly some connectivity down to the G9 through the Nexus switch. Alright, and that's it for today.